I just seen the Tinder Swindler on Netflix. This guy here, Simon Leave, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, on Tinder would pose as a billionaire diamond business and date women, take them on private jets for a month and then tell them, oh, I've been beaten up, I'm in trouble, my enemies want to kill me, give me 30,000, I'll give it back to you. See, I'm not judging these women. I cannot judge them. They are victims. But if a billionaire came to me, somebody with not a million in my account, and asked me to give him £30,000, that's a red flag right there. Why don't you ask your billionaire friends? Why ask somebody like me?